Hi, today we're talking about Doily Designs Texas Pillowcase pattern and the star for the pattern. I was going to go over this with y'all in case anybody's having any difficulties with the star. And this was one of the stars I came up with while I was making the star chart pattern, and it's just a fun variation and it worked for the size. So I've already got the circle started here. I figured this is not the part that people are having trouble with, so I've already got my circle, and this circle goes up to 30 half double crochet in my, so I like to count backwards and make sure I have all my stitches to find my space instead of using stitch markers, and that's my 30th half double crochet. So I'm going to follow here the pattern here, and for the star, oh, I passed it right by. We've done the 30, and on round 4 it says to do a beginning double crochet, and that means just in that same space we're going to do a beginning double crochet, which is our single crochet front loop only in that same single crochet, and you have your beginning double crochet. So now in the next 5 spaces, we'll do a half double crochet. So 1, my computer's on my yarn. After you've done your 5 half double crochet, you're gonna turn. We're not gonna chain, we're just gonna turn, and this leaves us with 6 in that thing. Okay, I did this. This is the second time I've done this where I thought I did 5, but I only did 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure to put that 5th half double crochet and then turn. Now we'll just do a single crochet in that first space and then half double crochet in the next 5 spaces. I'm a little shaky today, being very camera shy. Okay, now after we've done 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we'll turn and do another single crochet in that same turning space. Now half double crochet in 4. Now these stitches can look like it's a stitch, but it is just from the previous round, so just skip over that and turn. Just make sure you're doing your counts. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 half double crochet along with my single crochet. So I'm turning and doing another single crochet and then half double crochet in 3. So we're just decreasing our half double crochets as we go, and we'll turn and then do another single crochet and half double crochet in 2 and turn and single crochet. Now we don't need to do another half double crochet here, I don't think. Let's see. And no, yes we do. So half double crochet and turn, and now single crochet and then chain 2. No, chain 1. Sorry, I stopped following the pattern and started guessing. Single round 10 says single crochet in that turning space, chain 1, and slip stitch in the same space. Now, single crochet evenly down this left-hand side. So this takes a little bit of planning, and you want to kind of eyeball where you're going to place 6 stitches, including around that first half double crochet in that round. So I see here 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 here, 5. Oh, and sometimes you might have to go back and respace those. So again, I saw 1, maybe 2 here, and space them a little further, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And this really is kind of just eyeballing it because we're going into the sides of our stitches. And there's really no right or wrong way for that. So now we'll go and do a single crochet in the bottom of the 6th half double crochet. So we went around the post, and now we're going to go into the base and do a single crochet. Okay, now a beginning double crochet starts our next row, because it says repeat rows 4 through 10, and we started this row over here with a beginning double crochet, so we'll do that again. When actually all you really have to do here is a half double crochet. I'm going to do what the pattern says. So 1 and then 5 half double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and then turn and single crochet, and in 5, 1, so that 5th one is going to be in the top of my beginning double crochet, or the top of a half double crochet, and then turn, and then single crochet and half double crochet in 4. Pause for the cause. Okay, now turn and do a single crochet and half double crochet in 3. Turn, single, and half double in 2. Turn, single, half double in 1. Now turn and single, chain 1, slip in the same space, and again we're going to do 6 single crochet evenly down this side, and you see how a 5-point star is forming. So evenly, I think about here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6. See how I just moved a little bit over instead of taking that one out? And they're a little bunched up, but it's fine. We just want to straighten out that edge a little bit and end up where we want to be for our next point. So our next point, I'm going to do the half, I forgot to do the bottom of that half double crochet as our last and 7th single crochet there. So now we'll do, instead of the beginning of crochet, I'm going to show you how you can just do another half double crochet. So we'll do 6 half double crochet instead of just 5. 1, 2, instead of the beginning double crochet plus 5. So 6 total stitches. 1, 2, 3. Once you have 6, turn and do that, repeat those, the single crochet and then decreasing of the stitches. So 4 here, or no, 5 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I do want to go into the top of that stitch and turn, and then we'll do the 4. And turn and single and half double in 3, and turn and single and half double in 2, and turn and single and half double in 1 and turn and single and chain 1 and slip in the bottom of that same space. Now single across 6 evenly, or 7 including the bottom, back into our circle. So 1, 2, 3, and the more I spread them out at the top, the more it seems to pull that. So maybe go back and make those a little closer together. 1, so I have 1 here, and now 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then the 7th one is in the bottom. And I like that half double crochet to begin with, so I'm going to do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And turn, single and half double in 5. And turn and single and half double in 4. And turn, single, half double in 3. Turn, single, half double in 2. Turn, single, half double in 1. Turn, single, chain 1, slip in the bottom of that stitch, and single 6 even, and then 7 in the bottom. 1, oh, I spread them too far again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and then 7. And for our last point, we'll just repeat that. And this one kind of curls a little bit, but that's fine because this one is intended to be embroidered onto something. But the points can be very pointy. It just needs a little blocking. And I'll finish up with that sequence again of the 6 half double crochet, or a beginning in 5. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Uh-oh. Okay, I might have not followed the pattern exactly, and it might have told me to move over. Let me check. Okay, so, lost the pattern. We were just on it. Single crochet in the bottom of the 6 half double crochet and repeat those around. The beginning goes into the, you assume the next space. Okay, so maybe the math is off here. Fabulous. Back to the drawing board.